Information technology, like other modern professions, has made people run for making it big in a short time. The pressures and stress that build up with this running often results in disorders. The dot-com boom perhaps was the pinnacle of this phenomenon, when startups became a craze with new age yuppies. It emphasized further what had already become a regular trend with the emerging IT industry. Professionals were putting in long and irregular hours, getting very few brain breaks, recesses, while meeting the deadline, and stayed out of their homes for a longer period of time. Add to this the dwindling fortune of the so-called new economy, and this brings about uncertainty, leading to more complications. In most cases, it was not the job profile alone that built up the pressure. Employees' expectations contributed towards stress. The drive to achieve amongst e-age professionals further led to unrealistic expectations and over-evaluation of individual professionals. All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. Realizing the importance of recess, companies started providing in-house facilities for employees. Gymnasiums, golf courses, and an overall sporting environment within office premises became a phenomenon in the IT industry. Some of them even organized workshops for personality development through stress. The growing concern of stress even led to many IT institutes to incorporate stress handling in its curricula. For Sriram Panda, a hardware student in a private institute, a highly demanding job pressure could be less strenuous than his predecessors in the field. With such attempts, professionals are likely to handle stress better, but much would still depend on how professionals handle their dreams.